cheesy veggie melts. And so I'm
Okay.
gonna ask you to make the sauce that we're gonna put on the bread. You're gonna eyeball. You're gonna do.
What else
It's
is
gonna
new?
be fabulous. A 1/4 cup of that brown mustard.
Okay.
It's just about a 1/4 cup, which is like 2 big squeezes.
Okay.
A couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise.
Yeah, I can roll with
You
that.
can totally roll with that.
Couple, you know, whatever.
We're doing a grilled cheese situation, but we're elevating it a little bit by adding some fresh winter vegetables to it. So we've got some baby spinach and we've got some carrots, and I'm just finishing up some green cabbage. And then you're gonna add about a tablespoon of that prepared horseradish.
I love horseradish.
Horseradish is a nod to my dad. He loved horseradish.
Okay.
So we got the little kick in the sauce, and so I'm just adding in the rest of this little cabbage, give it a little stir together. And then I'm gonna add in just a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of white vine vinegar.
A little salad with your grilled cheese.
Yeah, exactly. So I have sourdough bread here. Do you like sourdough?
Love sourdough.
I keep saying use what you like, but this is really make it your own, and I'm just using sourdough because I like it. 2, 4, 6,
Ooh, math.
8 slices. I'm gonna make them match each other because I'm weird like that.
Yes, I know about
Everyone
you.
knows. And then I'm just gonna ask you to put some of that sauce on every piece because it's gonna be on both sides of the bread.
Okay.
And then we're gonna grill it. I feel when you're talking about warm winter foods, grilled cheese just sounds comforting, right?
Yeah,
just
it's everything.
Yeah. And if I went to a party and you served me a grilled cheese sandwich, I'm gonna come over every day. I'm using Fontina cheese, which is a mild cow cheese. Again, use what you want. I'm just gonna put it on 4 pieces.
I never use Fontina, that's great.
But it's so good, I love it. And then I'm gonna get some of these veggies out. I'm just trying to get a mix of everything.
I love the idea of putting vegetables in a grilled cheese.
Me too. Another piece of cheese. This is just gonna be perfect because Fontina melts so well. All right, and then you can top those while I put some butter on the griddle.
Okay. You butter grilled cheese on the griddle?
Sure do.
I think that's key.
And I have my griddle on low. This is a hot stovetop, so I'm gonna put these on, and then you are going to be the grill master.
And that entails flipping?
Yes, and it entails patience, which is why I'm putting you on this, because everyone knows that I am not patient. We wanna let them get a little brown and melty. Yeah, I'm ready.
Do you trust me?
I do, I trust you totally.
Ooh.
Did you say you were a competitive skater?
I was.
Seriously?
Seriously.
You're a lawyer, you lived in France, you're a you just throwing these things out, competitive skater. What does that entail?
I mean, first of all, it entails getting up and going to practice before school and after school and
I'm
every
out.
Saturday and
I'm out.
Sunday.
Those look really good.
They look really good, don't they?
Let's just take them up to the board and we'll
Okay.
slice them up and we'll take them to the girls.
Oh, don't forget that. Look at that cheese.
And don't forget that cheese.
I know.
Like, you never leave any cheese behind.
Seriously.
That's exactly right.
Oh, smells so good.
I'm gonna put these on a platter, if you don't mind grabbing it for me. And I'm gonna cut these in half. Ooh, they're a little bit warm. That's looking good. All right. Our Sammys. These are beautiful. And we will go enjoy our ski lodge situation.
Oh my gosh.
You're gonna love this because we have these cheesy veggie melts, and so we'll just go to town.
So good. What is in here? It's so good.
Well, so there's cabbage and there's carrots, baby spinach in there.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that yummy?